How to download GarageBand on your Android mobile device. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again. And in today's video, I'll be simply showing you all the steps and all the guide performing this action to download this application of GarageBand on your phone. As you can see, this is an app for iPhone here, but there is not an official GarageBand app for Android. GarageBand is developed by Apple and is exclusive to their operating system Mac OS or iOS. While you won't find a legitimate GarageBand download for Android, so you can use this. Android audio editing apps. The Google Play Store offers numerous audio editing apps with features similar to GarageBand. You can use them. That is, the applications name are Walkband, Audio Evolution, and Music Maker. Now, second step is cloud-based DAWs, that is digital audio workstation. You can use Soundtrap or you can use the Band Lab softwares to get the same features as GarageBand because there is no direct way to download the app. Thank you so much for watching this video.